Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and Xiaomi recently launched Mi A3 in India, so let's unbox this phone. And also I'm giving away this Mi A3 to one of you guys, so make sure you watch this video till the end to know how to participate. On the back you can see some highlights of this phone: 48 megapixel triple camera with ultra wide lens, AMOLED display with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, in-display fingerprint sensor and 32 megapixel front facing camera. So let's break this seal. And opening up the box we get another section. If we open this up, we get a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a transparent case for protecting the phone from getting scratches. Here's the Mi A3. Let's take it out from the plastic. For now, I'll just keep this phone aside and let's see what else we get in the box. This is a USB to USB Type-C cable, which is great. And here's the charger, which is 5 volts and 2 amps, which is a standard 10 watts charger. And now let's move on to the phone. Let's remove the sticker from the back and also from the front. This color looks very beautiful, specifically the design, and its glass on the back, which is Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and also the glass on the camera is also Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which protects the camera from getting scratches. On the top there's a secondary microphone, headphone jack and IR blaster, and on the bottom there's a speaker grill, charging port and a microphone. On the right side there's a power button and volume rockers, and on the left side there's a SIM card slot. And this is a hybrid SIM card tray, so you can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a micro SD card. On the back it has a triple camera setup. This is a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. This is a main 48 megapixel camera, and this is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front it has a single 32 megapixel front facing camera. Talking about its display, it has a 6-inch AMOLED dot drop display with a resolution of 1560 x 720 HD plus display, with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. And this Mi A3 comes with the Android version 9, so there's no skin on top of it. So you'll get the pure Android experience, and also regular software update from Google. This Mi A3 comes with a Snapdragon 665, and this variant which I'm holding right now is a 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. And this is more than white color, and there's 2 more colors, not just blue and kind of grey. This phone is powered by 4030 mAh battery, and also it supports Quick Charge 3.0. But you'll need to buy 18-volt charger additionally if you want, because you get a standard 10-watt charger in the box. Let's take a photo of this box just to see how the camera performs, and I'm sure it's gonna be the best camera in this budget. And the photo has great details, contrast and colors. Here's the sample of this photo. This Mi A3 has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Yes, in-display fingerprint sensor in budget smartphone. The speed is decent, I would say. It's not very fast, but it's not very slow though. So yeah. The face unlock is fast, but it's not secure. But it instantly unlocks the phone as soon as I look at the phone. I'm giving away this Mi A3 to one of you guys. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this phone. And I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 7th September on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. So yeah, this was the Mi A3 unboxing. If you haven't participated yet, participate now. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.